Hey Long Beach, my name is Alyna and today we're going to be making hot chocolate. The ingredients that you will need to make your hot chocolate today is a saucepan, a 1 cup measuring cup, your favorite mug of choice, something to stir with, Abuelita hot chocolate, any milk of your choice. Today I'm just using regular 2% milk. And some optional toppings are sprinkles, marshmallows, and whipped cream. Because we will be using the stove for this recipe, it's really important that you have your parent or guardian with you cooking today. There are a few different kinds of Abuelita hot chocolate, but today we will be using the tablets. Our first step is to remove the tablet from its package and put it into our saucepan. Our next step is to pour 4 cups of milk into our saucepan. And remember, this recipe can be used with any milk of your choice. Next up, we're going to be turning our heat onto medium heat, so make sure you have your parents or guardian with you for this next step. Now, you are going to mix until it gets thick or frothy. This may take a minute, so be sure not to leave the stove unattended. You'll know that you're done mixing when your tablet is fully dissolved in your milk. Your hot chocolate is going to be really hot, so it's extremely important that your parent or guardian pours your hot chocolate into your mug. Now that our hot chocolate is cooked, we can add any of our favorite optional toppings. I'm going to add a few marshmallows, whipped cream, and sprinkles. And enjoy. Delicious. Thanks for making hot chocolate with me today, Long Beach. Be sure to comment down below what other recipes you would like to see, and be sure to like and subscribe to see more of our videos. Parks make Long Beach. You belong here.